storyteller with fire on your belly for the truth. But where do you start?
We learn to tell stories that matter thanks to the amazing professors here.
We explore every aspect of media, from writing to film to social media.
We will guide you and equip you with the skills to make a difference. We are here to prepare you to take a challenge in your professional life.
About learning, it's about making a difference.
With programs like Bachelors in Journalism and Creative Writing, Bachelors in English Journalism, Masters in Journalism, and Masters in Digital Journalism, you can explore and find your perfect path here.
Don't just scroll through the news, be the one who creates it.